Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best dart barrels is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any serious dart player looking to elevate their game, as these precision-engineered pieces directly influence your throw's consistency, accuracy, and overall feel, making the right choice paramount to hitting those perfect 180s and dominating the oak with confidence and control. Number 5. Turnart Darts Metal Tip Set. Introducing the Turnart Darts Metal Tip Set, engineered for professional performance. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to elevate your game, offering a superior throwing experience. Its cylindrical barrel design features a front-weighted center of gravity, ideal for players preferring a three-point grip. A subtle notch between the front grooves and rear cuts enhances your hold. The barrel boasts rifling at the front and deeper grooves at the rear for superior control. Its balance and weight are perfected with triple milled surfaces, available in 4 distinct onyx coating finishes. Each dart is equipped with a robust aluminum shaft, secured by a rubber O-ring for stability. The flights, pioneered from Prism 100-micron film, ensure consistent trajectory and durability. This professional set comes with a stylish case, designed to securely hold all 12 darts. It also provides a convenient area for your spare parts, keeping everything organized and ready for play. What we like. This set features a unique front-weighted barrel, perfect for players who prefer a three-point grip. Its distinctive rifling and onyx coating offer both style and enhanced control. If you like a forward center of gravity and a premium aesthetic, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 4. Soft Tip Dart Set 22G Silver and Black. Experience superior performance with these darts. Their premium brass-plated steel barrels feature an anti-slip design, ensuring great balance and stability with every throw. Each aluminum shaft is also fitted with an anti-loosening O-ring for lasting reliability. Designed for seamless play, these darts come with sturdy, quality plastic tips. They are perfectly compatible with all electronic dartboards, providing a smooth and responsive experience. You'll receive 20 soft dart tips in total, so you're always ready for action. Tailor your throwing style with the included customizable components. This set offers 3 aluminum alloy shafts, 3 PVC shafts, and 2 distinct styles of dart flights. Mix and match them to achieve your ideal setup and perfect your game. Keep your darts safe and organized with the included sleek and elegant case. It provides secure storage, making them easy to use and incredibly convenient to carry wherever you go. Take your game on the road with confidence. Ideal for adult players, this dart set promises endless entertainment. It's perfect for enjoying fun family time and creating cherished memories together. Gather your loved ones and let the games begin. What we like. Designed specifically for electronic dartboards, these darts come with durable soft tips and anti-slip brass barrels. You can easily customize your setup with the included varying shafts and flights. If you primarily play on electronic boards and enjoy fine-tuning your equipment, this set is ideal. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no points could be selected. Number 3. 9 PCS Dart Barrels Replacement Set. Enhance your dart game with this versatile replacement set. It features 3 distinct weight specifications, designed to help you refine your practice and achieve better control. Crafted from high-quality metal, these cylinders are built to last. Their durable, drop-resistant design ensures a consistent, satisfying feel with every throw. This set includes 10G, 12G, and 14G barrels, offering you diverse solutions for your training needs. Experiment with different weights to optimize your dart performance. Experience excellent balance and stability with these meticulously designed barrels. Their delicate non-slip surface further enhances your grip, improving your throwing technique. Each set provides 3 barrels of each weight, totaling 9 pieces. They are an essential accessory for both training and casual play, perfect for novices and seasoned professionals alike. What we like. This unique set offers 3 different weight specifications, allowing you to experiment and improve your control. Made from durable metal, these barrels provide excellent balance and stability for consistent throws. If you're looking to refine your technique and find your perfect weight, these replacement barrels are a must-have. What people say. No positive review details found in the provided source. No positive review details found in the provided source. Number 2. CyeeLife 18G Tungsten Soft Dart Barrels ZG05. Experience the ultimate in darting precision. These barrels are crafted for serious players seeking an edge in their game. They provide a consistent feel for every throw. Made from high-quality 90% tungsten, they offer superior balance and durability. This material ensures a consistent and reliable performance every time you play. Each barrel weighs 18 grams, providing a perfect feel for soft-tip dartboards. This weight is ideal for controlled and accurate throws, enhancing your game. Featuring the sleek ZG05 black design, they look as good as they perform. Their aesthetic appeal adds a touch of style to your dart setup, making them stand out. This package includes 3 barrels, allowing you to customize your dart set. Please note, no additional accessories are included with them, just the barrels. What we like. Crafted from 90% tungsten, these barrels offer a slimmer profile and superior balance for serious players. The high-density material provides a consistent feel and tighter groupings. If you demand precision and a professional-grade barrel for competitive play, these are an outstanding option. What people say. Number 1. Lord of the Tools 12 PCS Dart Barrels with O-rings. Crafted from high-quality metal, these dart barrels offer exceptional durability and stability. They are built to withstand countless impacts, ensuring a long-lasting performance. Each barrel weighs 14 grams, the ideal standard for competitive play. This precise weight helps you achieve superior control over your dart's trajectory and speed. With a 7.5 mm diameter and 49 mm length, these barrels feature a 2BA internal thread. Their meticulously engineered dimensions guarantee perfect balance and stability, significantly enhancing your throwing accuracy. This set includes both sleek black and elegant silver barrels. Not only do they look great, but their distinct colors also help you easily identify your darts during intense competitions. Each barrel comes equipped with a rubber O-ring. These essential rings ensure a secure fit, preventing any loosening or wobbling, so your throws remain consistent and precise. What we like. This bulk set provides 12 14-gram barrels, ensuring you always have replacements or enough for team play. Each barrel includes a rubber O-ring for a secure shaft connection, preventing loosening during throws. If you need a reliable supply of standard weight barrels with added stability, this pack offers great value. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. Unable to extract points due to empty source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.